we are discussing about how to nest try blocks, or how we can use the nested try blocks in Java. So what is Java nested try block? The try block within a try block is known as nested try block in Java. We are familiar with the nested word in Java because we have already discussed it in the Java nested if-else statement or the Java nested functions. These all are things are already discussed. So in case of Java nested try block, it's the same thing. That is the try block inside a try block. So the same thing is here, that is the Java try block within a try block is known as nested try block in Java. Why use nested try block? Sometimes the situations may arise where a part of a block may cause one error and the entire block itself may cause another error. In such cases, exception handlers have to be nested. For example, if we want to create a check the condition that if this condition contains some errors or not, or again that condition also contains some error, in that case we use the nested try block. And here is the syntax of nested try block. First of all, first try block, and then statement 1 and statement 2, again the try block, and then statement 1 statement 2, and then the catch block of second try block, and then the catch block of first try block. Let's see the code how we can implement the nested try catch block in Java. First of all, we create a class nested try catch, and inside the main method, first of all we use a try, and inside it we again use a try, and then write system.out.println going to divide and write 39 by 0, and this is the catch block of this try statement, that is try arithmetic exception. As we all know that if it is divide by 0, then it comes under the arithmetic exception. So I write here arithmetic exception E and then print the value of E. And again inside the try block we write A is equals to new int A, which is an array, and then we write A of 5 is equals to 4, and here I write array index out of bound exception with E, and again other statement, and this is the exception E that is of first try block here, and here we write the system.out.println handled, and again I write the system.out.println normal flow, and then close the main method and then close the class. So just save it and let's execute it. We are already in our location, so we just write Zavak nested try catch.java, and hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. See, it first of all it will show that going to divide and then throw the exception that is by 0, and again throw the exception that is index 5 out of bound for length 5, and then other statement and then normal flow. So in this way we can use the nested try catch block. First of all we use the try, and inside the try statement we use first try statement that is going to divide, and that try statement catch block, and again we use a try statement, and again that try statement catch block, and then the parent try blocks catch statement, and then the other statements. So in this way we can implement the nested try catch statement in Java. Thank you.